Everything you experience right now is a reflection of your subconscious programming, the thoughts and emotions you've practiced over time. The good news is, you have the power to change it. You can reprogram your mind for a new future, one built on awareness, peace, and abundance. The subconscious mind operates like an invisible operating system. It runs nearly 95% of your daily behaviors automatically, without your conscious awareness. Your habits, emotional reactions, and even your sense of self are all shaped by what you've been feeding your subconscious for years. But you're not a prisoner of old conditioning. You can rewrite those programs through awareness and emotion, the language your subconscious understands. Most people live the same day over and over because they wake up with the same thoughts, triggering the same emotions, leading to the same actions. To create a new reality, you must think greater than how you feel. You begin by noticing your automatic thoughts and then gently replacing them with conscious, empowering ones. Repetition and emotion are the keys. When you visualize your future with real feeling, love, gratitude, joy, your subconscious accepts that vibration as truth. It doesn't know the difference between what's imagined and what's real. So if you repeatedly impress your subconscious with the emotional frequency of your desired reality, it begins to rewire your brain, forming new neural and energetic pathways. Reprogramming is not about wishing, it's about embodying. Start each morning by asking, what version of me am I choosing to be today? Then, act, speak, and think as that version. Not from the memory of your past, but from the vibration of your future. This is how you bridge the unseen with the seen. The more you feel your future now, the faster it becomes your reality. The power of your subconscious mind is limitless. You are not a victim of your old programming. You are the author of your new one. When your mind and heart align, you become magnetic to everything you desire. Reprogram your inner world, and life will reflect that transformation right back to you. If this message resonates, like, share, and subscribe for more videos on manifestation and conscious creation. The link below can help you accelerate this process even more.